Happy to know that you are a wildlife enthusiast. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you liked it, will you please share with your friends? The long-tailed broadbill is a species of bird that is found in the Himalayas, extending east through northeastern India to Southeast Asia. It displays a yellow plumage on the throat, bluish-green plumage on the belly, back, and wings. The long-tailed broadbill is a forest bird that lives on insects. It is very sociable and normally travels in large, noisy parties except during the mating season. It builds a pear-shaped nest in a tree. The female usually lays between 5 and 6 eggs that are incubated by both sexes. Both sexes also help to feed the young. Adult long-tailed broadbills have a bright yellow throat and face, where the yellow patch ranges on each side of the occiput. The yellow feathers continue down to form a thin band around the neck. There is a thin layer of pale yellow feathers that envelops the yellow patch below their throat. They have a helmet-like black cap, with a sleek blue patch on the crown and a smaller blue patch at the back of their neck. The feathers along the back, belly and top of the wings are bright green, produced by a combination of pigmentary and structural color. The underparts of the wings are a lighter green or bluish-green. The primary feathers are black, with a metallic blue margin at the base of the external web and a white spot on the base of the inner web. They have a long blue tail, but the undertail is black. They have strong, broad bill that is yellowish-green in color with lighter edges. They have a pea-green toes and brown legs. Juvenile long-tailed broadbills have a shorter tail, green head with duller plumage. They are social birds that are usually seen foraging about in small flocks. They have also been seen in mixed species flocks. Despite their loud high-pitched calls, they are relatively shy birds that usually hide among the foliage of trees. They are especially noisy during breeding season. These birds are insectivorous and are commonly found foraging forests for small insects. They can be seen foraging in small parties of up to 15 individuals during non-breeding seasons. They feed primarily on grasshoppers, crickets, locusts, beetles, aphids, dipteran flies, bugs, moths and spiders. The breeding seasons of the long-tailed broadbill may vary according to location. Populations that live in the Indian subcontinent breed from March to April, while populations residing in or near Myanmar begin breeding from April. The female will lay between 5 and 6 eggs, which are white and oval-shaped. Both sexes incubate and feed the chicks. It is even suggested that long-tailed broadbills may be cooperative breeders, since more than 2 individuals have been observed around the nest. They build a large pear-shaped nest that is attached to the branch of a tall tree. The nest has a small circular entrance on the side of the structure, which is usually protected by a cushion of leaves. The nest is composed of fine roots, dead leaves, creepers, mosses and other stringy vegetable matter. Once the young chicks become independent juveniles, they often disperse and settle in new locations within the habitat range. I hope you enjoyed it. Huge thanks for being with me till the end. I will look forward to your next visit, pretty soon. Till then, be safe.